Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably one of the best white sports shoes on the market, the PUMA Men's Caven 2.0 sneaker. If you're searching for stylish, comfortable, and timeless sneakers, this might just be the perfect pick for you. The PUMA Caven 2.0 is inspired by a classic 1980s basketball silhouette, reimagined with modern touches to fit today's fashion and comfort standards. These sneakers showcase a clean and subtle design that works perfectly whether you're on the court or simply stepping out for casual wear. The leather outer material gives it a premium look and feel, elevating its style beyond typical athletic shoes. One of the standout features of the Caven 2.0 is its soft foam plus cushioning technology. This insert ensures all-day comfort by providing a soft and supportive feel with every step. Whether you're walking around town or spending hours on your feet, these sneakers keep your feet cushioned without sacrificing style. The stacked rubber midsole and outsole not only contribute to the shoe's sleek look but also offer reliable traction and control on different surfaces, which is essential for any sneaker designed with sports influence. In terms of construction, the PUMA Caven 2.0 uses high-quality leather and sports a lace-up closure, making it easy to get the perfect fit. While it's not water-resistant, the sneaker's durability and sturdy rubber sole make it versatile enough for everyday wear in various conditions. The shoe also features the iconic PUMA form strip on the sides, complemented by branding details on the tongue and heel, giving it that classic and recognizable PUMA aesthetic. Sustainability is becoming more important in footwear, and PUMA has incorporated recycled materials into this sneaker, which makes up about 30% of its composition. This shows a commitment to reducing environmental impact while maintaining performance and style. Available in a clean white and silver colorway, the Caven 2.0 blends well with almost any outfit, adding a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. The overall design is timeless, ensuring that these shoes won't go out of style anytime soon. When it comes to sizing, the shoe offers a range of options, although sizing preferences might vary slightly, so it's recommended to check the size chart before purchasing. The fit is designed to be snug yet comfortable, aligning with its basketball-inspired roots. In summary, the PUMA Men's Caven 2.0 sneaker is a great choice for anyone looking for a white sneaker that combines classic style, modern comfort, and reliable performance. With its soft foam plus cushioning, premium leather construction, and sleek retro design, it stands out as a versatile sneaker that works on and off the court. If you're after the best white sports shoes with a nod to basketball heritage and all-day comfort, the PUMA Caven 2.0 deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.